Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of Matrix Olympiad paper solution which was held on 10th of November for stage 2 and shift 1. So we will start from class 5th and the subject is physics. So let us start our discussion. Question number 1. Which one of the following is not an effect of force? So we have to see that which is not an effect of force. Force can stop a moving object. This is an effect of force. So this is a true statement. Okay. Force can change the direction of moving object. This is also true. Force can change the composition of a moving object. No, this is not an effect of force. Force can increase or decrease the speed of a moving object. This is also true. So our correct answer is option C. Next question, question number 2. In question number 2, we have to check which statement is true and which is false. Energy is the ability to do work. This is a true statement. Joule is a derived unit named after James Prescott Joule, and 1 joule is equal to the energy expended in applying a force of 1 Newton to displace an object through a distance of 1 centimeter. No, this is wrong. The distance should be equal to 1 meter. So this is a false statement. Third statement, potential energy is the energy associated with the object's motion. So potential energy is energy associated with a static object. We can say when it is at rest condition. So this is a false statement. So correct code is true, false, false. That means option A is our correct answer. Next question, question number 3. Match the column question. So grooved shoe sole. Okay. So second is oil and grease, then friction, then ball bearing. So grooved shoe sole increases the friction due to which we can walk. So for P I will write 3. Oil and grease, these are lubricants, so I will write it 1. Friction, which opposes the relative motion of the object, so for R I will write 4. Ball bearing, which changes the sliding friction to the rolling friction. Okay, so for S I will write 2. So correct code is 3142. 3142, that means option C is our correct answer. Next question based on a paragraph. Okay, so there is a situation given in paragraph and the question is asked, which one of the following formula is used to calculate kinetic energy? As we know that the formula for kinetic energy is half mv square. That means option B is our correct answer. Okay, next question based on same paragraph. Which of the following use of wrecking ball? So we know that wrecking ball is used for the pulling downs of building, for destroying building. So option D is our correct answer. Next question, question number 6. It may have more than one correct answer. Which of the following have streamlined shape? As we know that aeroplanes, ships, birds and submarines are in streamlined shape to remove or reduce friction. So all the 4 options are our correct answer. Next question number 7. Which one of the following is /R disadvantages of fossil fuel? Option A, they emit pollutant when burnt. So this is a disadvantage of fossil fuel. They are non-renewable resource. This is also a disadvantage of fossil fuel. They are easily available and cheap. This is a advantage of fossil fuel. They can generate a large amount of electricity at a single location. This is also an advantage of fossil fuel. So our correct answer will be option A and option B. So we have discussed all the questions of physics subject. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. If you have any type of doubt in any question, then click on Ask a Doubt button, which is provided on your MOF profile. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Now we will discuss the MOF paper solution for class 5th, which was conducted on 10th of November 2024. Let's see the question. So the first question is, which of the following statement is or are true or false? First statement is, land pollution can be reduced by recycling paper and reusing plastic bottles whenever possible. Yes, this is completely a true statement, because when we reuse the different plastic bottles and papers, then the land pollution, the amount of the land pollution and the rate of the land pollution is decreases. So this is completely true statement. Now the next one is, air pollution can be reduced by using more diesel or petrol over CNG. No, the diesel, and by the diesel and petrol, the amount of gases which is released are compared to more than the CNG, so it is completely false statement. Now the next one is water pollution can be reduced by discharging industrial waste into nearby water bodies. It is also a false statement. So the first statement is true, second and third statement is false statement. So true, false and false means the A option is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next. Now let's see the next question. So the next question is match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay. So the first column is solid to vapor change. Solid to vapor change means when the solid substance directly convert into vapor phase without converting in the liquid phase, that process is known as the sublimation process. Okay. So the solid to vapor change is known as sublimation. So the next is separation of miscible liquids. Separation of miscible liquids can be takes place by the process of the distillation. Means the substances which are miscible with each other but have the difference in their boiling point, they can separate by the process distillation. Okay. Next is shuttling down of heavier particle. Shuttling down of heavier particle is known as a sedimentation process. And the last one is vapor to liquid change. Vapor to liquid change means the gases, when the gaseous state convert into liquid state, that process is known as a condensation. Now let's see the next one in the column second. First is condensation, second is sedimentation, third is sublimation, and fourth is distillation. Okay. So the first process, condensation, we know that when the vapor state convert into liquid state, that process is known as condensation. So the S match with first. Next is sedimentation. Sedimentation means we know that the shuttling down of heavier particle is known as sedimentation. So the R is match with 2, sedimentation. Now the next is sublimation. We know that the process in which solid substance directly convert into vapor state known as sublimation. So the P match with third, and the last one is distillation. So the separation of two miscible liquids which have the difference in their boiling points are known as distillation. So the Q match with 4. So 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1 means C is the right option for this question. The next question is paragraph based question. Let's see the paragraph. Refer to the given figure representing water cycle and its different process labeled as P, Q, R and S. Okay. Now if you're talking about P is the process which is known as evaporation. Evaporation. Okay. Now the next is Q. Q is known as condensation, and if we're talking about the S and R, in the S here snow is present and here water is present. So the S and R both are known as a precipitation, and here the precipitation is carried out in the process in the form of snow, and here in the form of water. Now let's see the question. The question is which of the following statements is correct regarding it? Okay, let's see the first. Process P is responsible for the formation of dew on humid cold nights. Not. It is not responsible because evaporation process is not responsible for the humid. Next is process Q does not involve any change in state of water. No, it is also completely wrong statement because Q is the condensation process, and in the condensation we know that the vapor convert into liquid state, and when the vapor convert into liquid state means there is a change in the state, and in this process Q does not involve any change in the state of the water. So this is also wrong statement. Now let's see the next one. The next one is excess of process R can be sometimes lead to drop. No, it is not possible. Next is process S is form of precipitation that take place at very low temperature. Yes, snow is the S process is happen when the temperature is very low. So the D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is same for the next question is based on the paragraph. Which of the following these properties or processes is responsible for the formation of salt from the seawater? Okay, let's see the diagram. the process P is responsible for the separation of salt and water by the evaporation process. So the P is the evaporation process. Now let's see the question. The question is, which of the following process is responsible for the formation of salt from seawater? So the P process means evaporation process is responsible for the formation of salt from seawater, because by the evaporation process the water can evaporate and the remaining substance is salt. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, Anu heated some tap water in a kettle until it reached its boiling point. She boiled the water for a few minutes. She then placed the kettle of boiled water inside the refrigerator to cool it down. Which of the following graphs incorrectly represent the change in the temperature of water in the kettle with time during the experiment? Okay, if you're talking about this question, if we put the time or minutes here and the temperature here, okay, so now let's see the question. Anu heated some tap water in a kettle until it reached its boiling point. We know that the boiling point of the water is 100 degree, means at 100 degree the water gets start boil, and she boiled the water for a few minutes. So the reaction or the graph become constant. Then she placed the kettle of boiled water inside the refrigerator. So the temperature becomes down, and to cool it down. Okay, so cool it down means the temperature is lower than the 100 degree. Okay, now let's see the remaining question. Which of the following graph incorrectly represent? If we're talking about the graph A, so in the graph A, here 100 degree is present, but it is not constant for the some time, and it is not lower than this point. So it is completely wrong. If you're talking about the B, at the B it is not reached up at the 100 degree. So this is also incorrect. This is incorrect. This is also incorrect. And C, in the C, it's here it is equal to the 100 degree, but from this point it is not lower than the 0, so it is also incorrect, and this graph is correct graph. So according to the question, we have to find the graph which is incorrectly represent. So the option A is incorrect, so it is right option. Option B is also incorrect, it is also right. Option C is incorrect, so it is also right. But option D is correct, so it is wrong option. So the option A, B and C are the right option for this question. Now let's see the next. The next question is, Amol has 3 objects, X, Y and Z. He puts X into a measuring cylinder with 30 ml of water. Means in the measuring cylinder, water is present, the volume of the water is 30 ml. Then he puts Y and Z one by one into the same measuring cylinder as shown. Which of the following object has or have a volume less than 30 ml? If we're talking about the first figure, in the first figure we can easily see that the volume of the solution is 50. 50 means earlier the solution have 30 ml of water, and when we add X, it means the value or the volume of X is around 20. Okay, so it is less than 30, so A is the right option. Now let's see the next one, X and Y. So it becomes around 75. X have the value 20 and Y have the value around 25, and it is also less than 30, so Y is also right option. Now let's see the next one, X, Y and Z. It is around 130. We know that X have the value around 20, Y have the value around 25, and according to this data, Z does not have the value less than 30. So Z is not the right answer, and last one is none of this. So the option A and B are the right option for this question. Thank you. If you have any doubt, any query regarding any question, so there is one more option, ask a doubt. You can clarify your doubt there, and for more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can join our WhatsApp channel also, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel also. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for Stage 2 5th class biology. Let's start. First question. First question is, what is the primary mode of transmission of HIV? Human immunovirus. Primary mode. Airborne? No. That is wrong. Next, vector-borne? No, that is wrong. Next, direct contact with infected fluid. This one is right answer for HIV because fluidy media is contaminated by HIV that transferred to another healthy person by fluid. Next, foodborne, that is wrong. So, according to question, our right answer is option C. Next question is, which of the following statement are true and false? Night blindness is caused due to lack of potassium in our diet. Night blindness caused by vitamin deficiency. So that is wrong. Digestion of food get completed in small intestine, right? All chemically or enzymatic digestion and absorption occur in small intestine. There are total 12 molar in the mouth of an adult human. Molar teeth. Molar teeth, 6 in each jaw. So 12 molar present. So false, true, true. In code, false, true, true. Option D is correct for this question. Next question is, match column first and second, select correct answer using the code. Yes, P. This one is P. Caused by nutrient deficiency. Caused by nutrient deficiency. Nutrient deficiency disease is berry. So nutrient Q is matched with berry. Q is matched with berry. And P caused by nutrient deficiency, no. So according to this flow chart, condition is no. P select with diabetes, that is not a nutrient deficiency. This one is caused by insulin deficiency. So correct match P second, Q 1. Next, R. R is here. Spread by mosquito. Yes, R. Spread by mosquito. R relate to malaria. And next, S. Spread by mosquito. Common cold is not spread by mosquito. So our correct matching is P second, Q 1, R 4, S 3. 2143 in option D. Option D is correct answer for this question. These are all diseased diagram. Berry and sugar. In this condition, glucose level high in our blood. And next, common cold and malaria. Malaria spread by mosquito. Female anopheles mosquito. Next question is, Devika categorized disease on the basis of their pathogen and made three group. But by mistake, she put one wrong disease in each group. Wrong disease. Identify the odd member. Identify the odd member and select the correct statement. Group first, tuberculosis, malaria, tetanus. Malaria. Next, group second, dengue, measles and ringworm. And third, Kala Jar, typhoid and sleeping sickness. First of all, Kala Jar, sleeping sickness, malaria. These are spread by insects. Insects. So, if we transfer malaria in group third, measles, ringworm, no. So, malaria of group first should be interchanged with typhoid of group third. That is one condition. Ringworm second should be replaced with cholera. Cholera in no, that is wrong because not present in option. Sleeping sickness of group third should be placed by plague, no. And tetanus of group first should be replaced with polio, no. In this chart, only 3 diseases selected by Devika. So according to group and question, our right answer is A. A, because malaria, Kala Jar, sleeping sickness by insects. So right answer is option A. Next question is, disease that spread from one person to another is called communicable disease. That is very easy question. Communicable disease. Degenerative, wrong. Not communicable, and none of these wrong. So right answer is option A. Next, refer to given flow chart. Select correct statement regarding X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. It is muscle. It is muscle. Yes, it is muscle. It works on our will. Our will. Voluntary action. Okay. Then that is X. It works continuously throughout the life. Throughout the life. Relate to Y. Continue life, na? So Y. So X and Y appear striated. X and Y appear striated muscles. Striations present, band present. So, right. Next, Y pump throughout the body. Y pump throughout the body because transfer the blood to the tissue and each organ. Right? Throughout the life. Z appears smooth. Z. Because it work continuously throughout our life, then hurt, but Z appears smooth muscles. So A, B and C is the right answer for multiple answer. 19 question is multiple answer question. A, B, C is right. X is attached to visceral organ of the body. X. No. Because it work on our will. So, many organ that work involuntary. So, X is not right for this condition. Next. In which of the following region of the human alimentary canal does absorption take place? Absorption take place. Esophagus? No. Pancreas? It is a gland, so absorption not take place. Next, small intestine. That is right. Completely chemical digestion and then absorption. In large intestine, few things are absorbed in large intestine like chemical drugs. So, our right answer is C and D for this question. These are the all solution for class 5th biology. For more updates, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So today I am here to discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 5th stage 2 for math subject. So let's start. So here we have given question number 21st, that is, which child has the greatest volume? So here we have three child. One is Amy, second is Sam, and third one is Sarah. So Amy said that my shape has length 3 cube, width 5 cube, and height 3 cube. So we have to first find the volume of Amy's shape. So I can say for Amy's, I can say that length multiply breadth multiply height. We know the volume, that is length multiply breadth multiply height. So 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 3. So I can say that 5 3 is 15 and 15 3 is 45 centimeter. Yeah, 45 cube unit. Okay. If I talk about Sam says that my shape has length 4 cube, width 6 cube, and height 2 cube. So I can say that 4 multiply by 6 multiply by 2. So 6 4 is 24. 24 multiply by 2, that is 48 cube unit. If I talk about Sarah says कि my shape has length 4 cube, width 4 cube, and height 3 cube. I can write here 4 multiply by 3. So 4 4 is 16 and 16 multiply by 3, that is 48 cube. So here I can say that Sarah and Sam both having the greatest volume. So I can say both Sarah and Sam having the greatest volume. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the diagram show a cubical wooden block that has had a square hole cut through it. Okay, calculate the volume of the wooden block, wood in the block. So we have to find the volume of wood block, that is volume of block minus volume of square hole. So I can say the volume of block, that is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height minus length multiplied breadth multiplied by height. So here we have given length, that is 5, breadth. So here I given for height, that is 5, breadth, that is 5, and length, that is 8. So I can write here 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8 minus, here we have given breadth 5, 2, length you can say that height 2, and length, that is 8. So I can write here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. So simple, I can write here 5 5 is 25 multiplied by 8 minus 2 2 is 4 multiplied by 8. So here if I take common 8, so I can write here 25 minus 4. So simply 8 multiplied by 21, so I can write here 8 168. So the volume of wooden block, that is 168 cube centimeter. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is Grogg's rectangle has a perimeter of 30 inch. Okay, Vinny's rectangle has the same width as Grogg's rectangle but 3 inch shorter. It means the length of the Vinny's rectangle is 3 inch shorter if I compare to the length of Grogg's rectangle. So what is the perimeter of Vinny's rectangle? So first we have given perimeter of Grogg's rectangle, that is 30 inch. So we know perimeter, that is 2 bracket length plus breadth, that is equal to 30. So I can write here length plus breadth is equal to 15. Okay, this is the equation number first. So now if I talk about Vinny's rectangle, so for Vinny's rectangle we know the formula of perimeter, that is length plus breadth. So here the length, that is 3 inch shorter than Grogg's length. So I can write here 3 inch shorter, that is L minus 3, and breadth we have given same. So I can write here 2 bracket length plus breadth minus 3. So 2 bracket length plus breadth we have given, that is 15. So 15 minus 3. So here I can write here 2 multiplied by 12, that is 24. The 24 is the Vinny's rectangle's perimeter. So I can say 24 inch. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is in the dot grid below, each dot is 1 unit from the nearest horizontal and vertical neighbor. It means 1 unit we have to find the distance from this one, and we have to find the distance from this one. Now find the area of shaded region of the dot grid below. So here we have shaded region in the form of K. So first we check how many squares are here, and we check how many rectangles are here. So here we have given 1 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 square. So I can say that here we have given a square, that is 6. Okay. Now if I merge this one, so here we formed a right angle triangle. So again, this one is a right angle triangle, this one is a right angle triangle, and this one is a right angle triangle, and this one is a right angle triangle. If I talk about the here, so this one is a right angle triangle, again this one is a right angle triangle, this one is a right angle triangle, and this is also right angle triangle, and this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here right angle triangle we have given, that is 10. So we have to find the area of shaded region. So I can say that area of we have to find the area of shaded region is equal to area of square plus area of right angle triangle. So here we have given number of squares, that is 6. So 6 multiply area of one square, that is side square, plus we have given 10 rectangle. So here I can write here 10 multiply area of one right angle triangle. So 6 multiply side we have given, that is 1. So I can write here 1 square plus 10 multiply by area of right angle triangle we know 1 by 2 multiply base multiply height. So I can write here 6 plus, if I 10 multiply by 1 by 2 multiply by 1 multiply by 1. So 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So I can write here 6 plus 5, that is 11. So I can set the shaded region, area of shaded region, that is 11 square unit. So 11 square unit. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is an ice cream truck visit Julius Street every 3 days and Lara's Street every 4 days. The truck visit both street on 12 April. Then when will the truck visit both streets next? So we know Julius Street, that is every 3 days, and Lara's Street, that is every 4 days. Okay. So first we have to find the LCM. So LCM, that is LCM of, we have to find the LCM of 4 and 3. We get here 12 days. So we can say that after 12 days the truck visit both streets. Okay. So first they visit 12 April. So if I add here 12 days, so I can say that next they visit, that is 24 April. So where is 24 here? 24 April. So where is 24 here? So I can say that option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is what is the least number which when divided by 15, 18, 21 leaves remainder 2, 5 and 8 respectively. So here we have to find the least number. For least number we have to find the LCM. Okay. First we check the difference. Okay. So here if I check difference, so 15 minus 2, that is 13. If I check here 18 minus 5, again that is 13. If I check here 21 minus 8, again that is 13. It means the difference is same. So for least number I can write here the LCM of 15, 18, 21 minus difference, that is we have given 13. So LCM of 15, 18 and 21, that is 630. If I subtract with 13, so here I get the least number, that is 617. So 617. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is in a question on division, the divisor is 7 times the quotient. We have given the divisor is 7 times the quotient. So I can say that divisor is equal to 7 times of quotient. Again, and 3 times the remainder. It means the divisor we have given, that is the 3 times of remainder. And the value of remainder, that is we have given, that is 28. Okay, right here 28. So here we have to find the dividend. Okay. First we have to find here divisor. So I can say divisor is equal to 3 multiplied by 28. So here I get 84. 84 is the divisor. So now we have to find the quotient. So we know quotient is equal to divisor divided by 7. So quotient we get 84 divided by 7. So here I get quotient, that is 7 minus 7, 12. So now we have to find dividend. So we know dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So we know dividend is equal to quotient we have given 12 multiply by divisor. So divisor we have given 84 plus remainder, that is we have given 28. So I can say dividend is equal to 12. If I multiply here, so here 4 to ja 8, and here I get 1008 plus 28. So simply the divisor, that is we get 1036. So dividend here we get 1036. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is if the place value of 5 in 15201 and the place value of 6 in 2659 is equal to 7 times of fill in the blank, then number in the blank space. So here we have to find which number we have which number each come here. So I can say that the place value of 5 of this number, so I can say the place value of 5 in this number, that is 5000 plus the place value of 6 in this number, so I can say that 600 is equal to the 7 times of blank space. Okay, so if I add this one, so here I get 5600 is equal to 70 multiplied by blank space. Okay, now here we have to find the value. So I can say that if 5600 divided by 7, so here we get answer, that is 800. So where is 800? So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is here we have given consider the angles. So here we have given some angles, and the question is that which option correctly classifies the given angle. So we have to check which option is correctly classified. Okay, so now if I talk about first, so here we have given straight angle, and how many straight angles are here? So 1, 2 and 3. So here we have given total number of straight angle, that is 3. So now if I talk about right angle, so here we have given 2 right angle, that is this one and this one. So here we have given 2 right angle. So now if I talk about complete angle, that is only 1. So I can say that complete angle here we have given 1. So 3 to 1. It means 3 straight angle, 2 right angle and 1 complete angle. So here we have given 2 right angles and 3 straight angle and 1 complete angle. It means option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is a teacher asks his students to measure angle BAC. So where is BAC? Okay, BAD and BAE and classify their types. Okay, one of the students place the protector as shown below. Okay, here we have given protector and one student place here. Okay, ask the measurement and the student writes the answer is that each angle BAC is equal to 45 degree, angle BAD is equal to 90 degree and angle BAE is equal to 120 degree, and he classifies their name, that is obtuse angle, right angle and acute angle. Which is true about the student's answer? So here we have given options and we have to check which is true. So here option number A, that is the students measure the angles correctly, the midpoint of the protector and lies the common initial point vertex is A. Okay, and also classify the angle correctly as obtuse angle. No, this one is wrong because the students classify incorrectly. Okay, now if I talk about B, the students measure the angles correctly as the midpoint of the protector lies and common initial point, and but classify the angles incorrectly. Right, the students classify the angle incorrectly. Okay, because the 45 degree is a acute angle, but here the student classified that is obtuse angle. So here I can say the option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false. So here we have given 3 statements and we have to find out which one is true and which one is false. So the statement number 1, that is a line has a definite length. So we know line segment having a definite length, so I can say that this one is false. So if I talk about next one, intersecting lines always formed a right angle. So suppose that these two lines are intersecting lines and these lines are not formed a right angle. So I can say this one is also false. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the twice sum of the two non-adjacent interior angle. So the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the twice the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. So I can say this one is also false. So false, false and false. So false, false and false. So I can say option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false. So again we have given three statements and we have to find which one is false and which one is true. The first statement, that is the LCM of two co-prime number is always equal to their products. Yes, I can say that this one is true. If I talk about second one, the product of any two consecutive integer is always divisible by 2. So let's assume we take two consecutive integers, that is 8 and 7. We know the product of 8 multiplied by 7, that is 56, and 56 is divisible by 2. So I can say this one is also true. If I talk about third one, that is if A and B are integers such that A divides B, then A must be a factor of B. So I can say this one is also true. So true, true, true. So true, true, true. So number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false. So here we have given again three statements. We have to find out which one is false and which one is true. So statement number 1, that is multiplying any two number always results in a large number. No, this one is false, because if we take two number like -3 and 4, if I multiply here, so I get -2, which is a smaller number. So I can say this one is false. Dividing a natural number by 0 result is an undefined value. So let's assume a natural number, that is 5. If I divide here by 0, so I can say that not defined. So I can say this one is also true. Now third one, the product of 0 and any number is always 0. Yes, this one is also true. So here false, true, true. FTT. So check where is FTT. So here FTT, option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about 34th questions, that is which of the following statement are true or false. So here we have given again three statements and we have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. So statement number 1, that is the volume of a 3D object refers to the amount of space it occupies. So I can say that this statement is completely true. The volume of two-dimensional measurement just like area. No, this one is false. If I talk about third one, the cube with side length 1 centimeter has a volume 1 cubic centimeter. So I can say this one is true. So true, false, true. So true, false, true. So I can say here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is based on match the column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have to go given column 2. And so first we have to solve column 1. So here we have given P, that is we have to find the HCF of 36 and 48. Okay. So we know the HCF, that is 36 and 48. Simply we have to simplify. So 2 here we get 18, here we get 20. If I take again 2, so here we get 9 and we get 12. If I take 3, here we get 3 and here we get 4. So LCF, that is 3 to the 6 and 6 to the 12. So here we get LCF, that is 12. It means P is connected to 4. So I can say that P is connected to 4. If I talk about Q, that is we have to find the LCM of these numbers. So Q, that is the LCM of 15 and 24. So for LCM, first we solve here 15 and 24. So first if I take 2, then I get 15 and 12. Again if I take 2, here I get 15 and 6. If I take again 2, then here I get 15 and 3. If I take 3, here again I get 5 and 1. It means 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 30 2 is 60, 60 2 is 120. It means the LCM that here we get, that is 120. It means Q is connected to third. So Q is connected to third. So now if I talk about R, that is again we have to find the HCF. So we have to find the HCF of 18, 24 and 32. So simple, if we take 2, then here I get 9, 12, 16. Again if so here these having no common factor, so I can set the HCF, that is 2. So R is connected to 2. So here I can say the R is connected to 2. So the last one, we have to find the LCM of 16, 20 and 24. So here we have to find the S, that is we have to find the LCM of 16, 20 and 24. So first again here we take 2. If I take 2 here, so I can write here 8, 10 and 12. So now again if I take 2, so I can write here 4, 5 and 6. If I take again 2, so here I get 2, 5 and 3. So 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 32 is 60, 62 is 120 and 122 is 240. So 240 means S is connected to 1. So S is connected to 1. So answer, that is 4 3 2 1. So 4 3 2 1. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is again based on match the column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. We have to just match it. So here P, that is we given ratio of vertically opposite angle. So we know the ratio of vertically opposite angles are always equal. It means the ratio we get 1:1. It means P is connected to 4. P is connected to 4. So Q, that is we given the ratio of 120 and is supplement. So we know that when two angles and their sum must be 180 degree, then these angles are called supplement angle. So one angle we have given 120 and their supplement angle, that is we get 60. So if I cut here, then ratio, that is we get 2:1. So 2:1, it means Q is connected to 1. So here Q is connected to 1. So if I talk about R, that is ratio of 30 and its complement. So I can say that 30 and its complement, that is 60. If I cut here, so here I get ratio, that is 1:2. So 1:2, it means R is connected to 2. So here R is connected to 2. If I talk about S, that is ratio of a straight angle and a reflex angle which is 60 degree more than the straight angle. So ratio of straight angle, that is we know 180 degree, and in reflex angle which is 60 degree more than the straight angle. So I can say that 180 plus 60 degree. So here I can write here 180 upon 240. So 0 to 0 cut out. If I cut here, so I get 9 upon 12. If I again cut here, so I get 3:4. So 3:4. It means S is connected to third. So here S is connected to third. So the answer is 4 1 2 3. So 4 1 2 3. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on match the column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here again we have given column 1 and column 2, we have to just simplify it. So first P, that is we have given bracket 3 plus 5 multiply by 3 minus 20 bracket close multiply by 2. Just we have to simplify it. So 5 plus 3 8 and 8 3 are 24. 24 minus 20 multiply by 2. That is we get 4 multiply by 2, that is 8. So the value solution of P is equal to 8. So P is equal to 8. It means P is connected to 2. So here I can say that P is connected to 2. Now if I talk about Q, that is 6 multiply by bracket 2 plus 3 multiply by 2 minus 4. So simple, 6 multiply by, if I add here, so I get 5 and 5 2 is 10 and 10 minus 4, that is 6. So 6 multiply by 6, that is 36. So I can say that Q is connected to 1. So here Q is connected to 1. If I talk about R, that is we have given 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3, that is 2 and 2 multiply by 6, that is 12. So I can write here 12 plus, if I subtract here, so I get 18 and 18 is divided by 6, that is 3. So 12 plus 3, that is 15. So R, the value of R is equal to 15. So I can say that R is connected to 4. If I talk about S, that is 30 divided by bracket 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, 6 multiplied by 2, 12, and 12 plus 3, that is 15. Here I get 15 and divided by 3 and bracket close and bracket close. So here 30 divided by bracket 5. So here I get answer, that is 6. It means S is connected to third. So here S is connected to third. So 2143. So check where is 2143. 2143. Here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is match the shape in column 1 and with the shape in column 2 such that they have the same area. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So simply we have to just count how many squares are formed in a shape 1 and that is the square area in unit. Okay, so check 1 2 3 4 4 4 8. This one is the 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. So here we have total number of square, that is 14. It means the area is 14 square unit. So if I count here, so here we have 1 2 3 3 3 6 6 3 9 12 13 14 and this one, that is the 15. So if I count here, we have 1 2 3 4. It means 4 and 4 8 8 or to 10 and this one is the 12. If I talk about this one, that is the 13. Here we have 14 and this, that is the 15 and this one is the 16. So here we have 16 squares. If I talk about here, so 2 4 8 sorry 2 4 6 8 10. This is the 11 and this one is the 12. So if I talk about column 2, so here we have 2 4 6 8 10 11 12. So here we have 12. It means if I talk about P Q R S, where is 12? Here it means S is connected to 1. If I count here, we have 3 6 9 12 and this one, that is the 13 and this one, that is the 14 and here 15. So 15, where is 15? It means Q is connected to 2. So Q is connected to 2. If I talk about third, that is 2 4 6 8 10 12. This one 13 and this one 14. So where is 14? It means P is connected to third. So P is connected to third. And last one R, that is we have 2 4 6 8 9 10 11 12 and this one 13 14 15 and here 16. It means R is connected to 4. So R is connected to 4. So check which option is correct. Here we have 3 2 4 1. So 3 2 4 1. It means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on paragraph. So paragraph is that Lizzie has drawn all of the rectangle with whole number side length and area equal to 12 units. It means we have given the area of rectangle that is 12 square unit. Now we have to find, the question is that what is the largest possible perimeter of rectangle that has whole number side length and area of 12 square unit. So we know if I multiply here, we know the area of rectangle, that length multiply breadth, that is 12. So the possibilities of length and breadth are here. First is that is 4 multiplied by 3 and second is 6 multiplied by 2 and third one is the 12 multiplied by 1. So we have to find the largest possible perimeter. So if I take this one, so we know perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 plus length plus breadth. So 2 bracket length we have given 12 and breadth we have given 1. So 2 bracket 13. So 13 to ja 26. The possible largest perimeter of rectangle, that is 26 unit. So 26 units. So here option number D is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, which is again based on the same paragraph, and the question is that what is the smallest possible perimeter of a rectangle that has the whole number and side length and Area, again we have given 12 square units. So we know area of rectangle, that is length multiplied breadth, is equal to 12 units. Now we check all the conditions here. So first we have 4 multiplied 3. Second we can find 6 multiplied by 2. And third we can find 12 multiplied by 1. But if I take this one, so we find the largest possible perimeter, but we have to find the smallest possible perimeter. So smallest possible perimeter, if I take this one, so I can write here 2 bracket length plus breadth. So 2 bracket 4 plus 3. So if I add here, so I get 7 and 7 to ja 14. That is the smallest possible. That is the smallest possible perimeter. So where is 14? 14. So here option 1B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on paragraph. So and paragraph is that read the figure and answer the questions. So here we have given a figure and question is that which of the following is a pair of opposite ray? Pair of opposite ray. So where is opposite rays? This one is not a ray. This one is a ray. So I can say the pair of opposite ray. If I talk about option number first A, that is BM. So where is BM? BM is not a ray. So this one is not correct. If I talk about second one, BM and BU. BM and BU. Where is BU? BU. So this one is not pairs. If I talk about third, BA and BU. BA and BU. This one is also not possible. If I talk about last one, BA and BD. BA and BD. Yes, this one is the pair of opposite rays. So I can say that option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on again same paragraph, and the question is that which of the following is a pair of adjacent angle. So if I talk about adjacent angle, so we can solve this question with the help of options. So here option number A, that is ABP. So where is angle ABP? This angle. And MDE. So where is MD? Where is D? MBE. Sorry, MBE. MBE. So these are not adjacent angles. So I can say this one is not possible. If I talk about next one, MBE. MBE. I think this one. And ABU. ABU. No, this is not possible. If I talk about third one, NMV. NMV, this one. And BMN. And BMN. Yes, these two angles are the adjacent angles. So I can say that option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on paragraph, and paragraph is that Ben puts a rock in the tank shown in the diagram and then fills the tank to the top with water. Then he takes the rock out and the water level dropped by 5 centimeters. So here question is that what is the capacity of the tank when it is full? So we know volume, that is the length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and we have to find the capacity. So I can write here 60 multiplied by 45 multiplied by 50. So simple. If I multiply here, so here I get 0, 0, 6, 5 jar 30. Okay. If I multiply here, again I get, so here we have 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and 5 3 jar 15. Carry 1, 4 3 jar 12, or 1 3. So 135,000. So 135,000. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on the same paragraph, and we have to find out the volume of the rock in centimeter cube. So we have to find the volume of rock. So we know volume of rock is equal to volume of tank when it is full minus volume of water when rock dropped out. When rock out. Okay. So we know volume of tank, that is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and we know the volume of water when this rock is dropped out. So here we have given that level dropped 5 centimeters. So here if I remove this, so the level drop 5. So I can say the remaining length of water, that is we have given 55. So I can say again length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So we know the volume of rock. Sorry, we know the volume of tank, that is 60 multiplied by 45 multiplied by 50. So 60 multiplied by 45 multiplied by 50 minus again 645 multiplied by, sorry, here we have 45 multiplied by 50 and multiply by 55. So here I take common 45 and 50. So 45 multiplied by 50, if I take common here, so here I get 60 minus 55. So I can say that 45 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 5. So simple. If I solve here, so here I get 45 multiplied by 250. So if I simplify here, so I get 0 and 5 5 is 25 and we get carry 2. 5 2 is 10 and 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 2 32. Here we get carry again 3, 4 2 is 8, 8 or 3 11. So here I get answer that is 11250. So 11250 centimeter cube. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on multiple correct questions. Multiple correct questions, which means we have correct options more than 2, yeah, more than 2. So here we have given P, Q, R are the collinear points and Q lies between P and R. Then which of the following options are true? So if I talk about option number 1, PQ plus QR is equal to PR. Yeah, like I said, this one is true. So here option number A is also correct. If I talk about B, PR plus QR, no, this one is not possible. If I talk about third one, PR minus QR, the remaining length, that is PQ. Yes, this one is also true. If I talk about fourth one, PQ minus PR, PQ minus PR, no, this one is not possible. So here I can say option number A and C both are the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following three-dimensional solids satisfy the riddles. So riddles, here we have, I am not a cuboid, my volume is less than 10 cubes. Who am I? Yani this one is not a cuboid. So I can say that this is not a, this one is a cuboid and this one is cuboid. So option B and D are also out. If I talk about less than 10 cubes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can say the option number A is correct. If I talk here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here option number, so here I can say option number A and C are correct. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following is always odd. So here we have given options and we have to check which of the following is given odd. So here we have multiple correct questions. It means we have given, we can say that here we have more than two answers are correct. So here option number A, that is we have given sum of two odd numbers. So let's assume we have given a odd number and another we have given odd number. If I add here, so here we get even number. So I can say this one is not following the always odd. So if I talk about second one, difference of two odd numbers. So let's assume again we have two odd number, that is 11 and again that is 7. So again we get 4. 4 is also a even number. So I can say this one is also false. Now product of two odd numbers. Product of two odd numbers. So here we have 3 and if I multiply here, so I get the answer that is 21 and 21 is a odd number. So I can say this one is true. So here option C is correct. If I talk about last one, that is sum of an odd and an even number. So let's assume we have an odd number that is 3 and we have an even number that is 6. So if I add here, the result that is we get, that is a odd number. It means option number D is also correct. So here option number C and option number D both are the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the number 6545 can be written as the product of a pair of two-digit numbers. So what are these two numbers? So here we have given a number that is 6545. We know this number is the product of two numbers, that is 77 and 85. So two numbers are, that is one is 77 and another one is 85. So where is 77? So here option number A and option number C both are the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the base of a pole is 15 meter from a wall. The base of the pole is 15 meter from a wall. So let's assume we have a wall and we have a pole. This one is the wall. I can write it V, W for wall, P for pole. The pole casts a shadow on the ground is 5 meter. So the distance between them, that is 15 meter, and on the ground of 5 meter long from the base of the pole. It means he takes a shadow, that is this one, and the distance between this one is the 5 meter. Okay. to the tip of the shadow. Okay, which of the following could be the distance from the tip of the shadow to the wall? So here we have to find which of the following could be the distance. So here we have two conditions. The shadow of the pole can be formed here, and again next condition, that is the shadow of the pole can be formed here. So the distance between pole to wall, that is 15, and here we get 5. So here if I subtract here the remaining distance, that is 10. So I can write here 10, 15 minus 5, that is 10, and the maximum, that is we get 20, and the possible distance from the tip to shadow that of the wall is, that is between 10 to 20. So check here which option is correct. So here 11 meter possible, 13 meter is also possible, and 17 meter is also possible. So I can say B, C and D. All these three options are the correct. Now if I talk about next question, that is choose triangles that can be arranged to make the square given below. So here we have given a square, and we have to choose the steps. Here we have to choose the triangles that if we merge all these triangles, here we arrange all these triangles, then form a square shape. So if I talk about A, then we can merge A with the help of C and with the help of D. So here option number A, C and D are the correct options. So if you have any inquiry, comment below and like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 10 November 2024 in Shift-1. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. Find the missing term of given series. So series is 3, 6, 18, 72. After 72, next number is missing. So find the missing number of given number series. So first find the pattern of the series. So what is the pattern of the series is, if 3 multiply by 2, it means 6. Now 6 multiply by 3, it means 18. Now 18 multiply by 4, it means 72. Similarly, 72 multiply by 5, it means 360. So missing number is 360. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the missing term of given series. So series is CAT, FDW, IGZ, and after IGZ next term is missing. So first find the pattern of given series. So first find the taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is C, first alphabet of second term is F, first alphabet of third term is I, first alphabet of fourth term is missing. So find the pattern. So place value of C in English alphabet is 3, place value of F is 6, place value of I is 9. So pattern is 3 plus 3, it means 6. Now 6 plus 3, it means now 9. Now 9 plus 3, it means 12. So 12, it means L, because place value of L is 12 in English alphabet. So first missing alphabet is L. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is A, second alphabet of second term is D, after D next is Z, after G next is missing. Now place value of A is 1, place value of D is 4, place value of G is 7. So pattern is 1 plus 3, it means 4. Now 4 plus 3, it means 7, 7 plus 3, it means 10. So 10, it means J, because place value of J in English alphabet is 10. So second alphabet is J. Now taking third alphabet of each term. So third alphabet of first term is T, third alphabet of second term is W, third alphabet of third term is Z, after Z next is missing. So place value of T is 20, place value of W in English alphabet is 23, place value of Z is 26. So pattern is 20 plus 3, it means 23. Now 23 plus 3, it means 26. Similarly, 26 plus 3, it means 29. So 29, it means C, because place value of C is 29 in English alphabet. So here third missing alphabet is C. So missing term is LJC. So LJC, it means option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. So series is 2A11, 4, D, 13, 12, G, 17. After this, find the next term. So find the next term of given series. So taking first alphabet of each term. So alphabet of first term is A, alphabet of second term is D, alphabet of third term is Z. After G, next is missing. So place value of A is 1, place value of D is 4, place value of G is 7. So now pattern is 1 plus 3 it means 4, 4 plus 3 it means 7, now 7 plus 3 it means 10. So 10 it means J, because place value of J in English alphabet is 10. So missing alphabet is 10. Now taking first number of each term. So first number of first term is 2, first number of second term is 4. After 4, next is 12. After 12, next is missing. So now check the pattern. If 2 multiply by 2, it means 4. Now 4 multiply by 3, it means 12. Similarly, 12 multiply by 4. 12 multiply by 4, it means 48. So here missing number is 48. So first missing number is 48. So missing term is 48J. Now taking second number of each term. So second number of first term is 11. After 11, next is 13. After 13, next is 17. So now check the pattern. 11 plus 2, it means 13. Now 13 plus 3, 13 plus 4, it means 17. 13 plus 4, it means 17. Now 17 plus 6, because plus 2 plus 4, now plus 6. 17 plus 6, it means 23. So second missing number is 23. So 48J23 is the missing term of given alphanumeric series. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. I am facing north. I turn right and walk 10 meter. Then I turn right again and walk 10 meter. Then I turn right again, the walk 60 meter. In which direction am I from the starting point? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main directions. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now according to question, I am facing towards north direction. So starting facing of my starting facing is in north direction. I turn right and walks 10 meter Now after this, I turn right again and walk 10 meter Then I turn right again and walk 60 meter. Then I turn right again and walk 60 meter. Now in which direction? Let's suppose A is the starting point and B is the final point. Now in which direction am I from the starting point? Find the direction of final point with respect to starting point. So this is south of A, this is north of A, this is east of A, this is west of A. Now find the direction of B, find the direction of final point with respect to starting point. So B is in southwest of A. So here southwest is the correct answer of this question. It means option C is the correct answer of this question, because final point is in southwest from the starting point. So here option C is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Choose the alternative which most closely resembles the mirror image of given alphabets. Find the mirror image of given alphabets. So the first find the mirror image of M, because M is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror. So first find the mirror image of M. So mirror image of M looks something like this. Now find the mirror image of A. This is the mirror image of A. Now find the mirror image of L. This is mirror image of L. Now again find the mirror image of A. Now find the mirror image of Y. Again, find the mirror image of A. This is mirror image of A. Now next, find the mirror image of L. This is mirror image of L. Now again, find the mirror image of A. This is mirror image of A. And now at last, find the mirror image of N. So mirror image of N looks something like this. So this is the correct mirror image of given alphabets. So now here, option B is the correct answer of this question, because option B shows the correct mirror image of given alphabets. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. The water image of given figure is, find the water image of given figure. So water is always taken below the object. So here is water. So now in water image, the part of an object which is near to the water, so it will remains near to the water in water image. So water image of this figure looks something like this. Looks something like this is the correct water image of given figure. So here option A is the correct water image of given figure. So A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. Karthik has 23rd rank from the right and 15th rank from the left. Then how many persons are there in the row? So in a row, position of Karthik from the left, this is the left side of the row and this is the right side of the row. So now position of Karthik is 23rd from the right, 23rd from the right and 15th from the left, and 15th from the left. Now question is how many persons are there in the row? Find the total number of person in this row. So formula is left position of Karthik plus right position of Karthik minus 1. So left position of Karthik is 15 plus right position of Karthik is 23 minus 1. 15 plus 23 minus 1. So 15 plus 23 it means 38. 38 minus 1 it means 37. So there are 37 persons in this row. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. If L stands for plus, L stands for plus, M stands for minus, N stands for multiply, P stands for divide, then 14N, 10L, 42P, 2M and 8 is equals to. So now equation is 14N, N represents multiply, 10, now L represents plus, 42, P means divide, 2, M it means minus 8. So find the value of given equation. So first using BODMAS rule in this equation, so it means first divide the numbers. So 14 multiplied by 10 plus 42 divided by 2, it means 21 minus 8. So now multiply the numbers. 14 multiplied by 10, it means 140. 140 plus 21 minus 8. 140 plus 21, it means 161 minus 8. 161 minus 8, it means 153. So value of given equation is 153. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. Find out from amongst the four alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line. So in this question, this transparent sheet is folded along to the dotted line. Then we get a image. Like this. This sheet looks something like this after fold. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Figure X shows the manner in which a sheet of paper has been folded and then the folded sheet has been cut. You have to select a figure from amongst the answer figure that would most closely resemble the sheet when it is unfolded. So now unfold the sheet. This sheet will be unfolded in this direction. When this sheet will be unfolded in this direction, then we get a image like this. Now unfold this sheet in this direction. Then we get a image. Like this. So unfold this sheet, then we get a image like this. So here option C is the correct answer of this question because C represents correct unfolded sheet. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Thank you. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. So to join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.